Hey everybody, today we have a new 2020 Shadow Cruiser. This one here is a lightweight half-ton towable bunk model. It's got the big pass-through storage, got a power awning. This one here is a 259 BHS is the model number. This one also has a outside kitchen with the fridge, sink, 2-burner stove. This one also has a barbecue. There's the hookup on the back that swings. It's got a backup camera prep. There's your hookup. There's your one slide. Go around, I'll show you the inside. Also has the new solid steps. So you come in, you've got your couch, which converts to a bed. You got a dinette booth, your fridge. You got the big double over double bunks. Also got storage underneath your bunks. Got your kitchen, cupboards above, microwave, stove. There's your entertainment stand with your TV. This one also has a big bathroom. And then if you come to the front, you've got your bedroom. Storage all along your bed. If you want to come in and take a look at this unit, give me a call or text 780-779-3102.